everyone, are you concerned about your privacy on Windows 11? You're not alone. Microsoft's operating system is amazing, but it comes with a catch. Lots of background data collection. But don't worry, today I'll introduce you to a tool every Windows 11 user must have: xd-AntiSpy. Let's dive in. And xd-AntiSpy is a lightweight, powerful tool that helps you regain control over your Windows system by disabling unnecessary telemetry and background services that could compromise your privacy. Think of it as your personal privacy guardian. Start by downloading xd-AntiSpy from its GitHub page. Extract the zip file to a folder of your choice, then open the folder and run the xd-AntiSpy executable. Before you continue, create a restore point. Creating a restore point before making any changes to your OS is a precautionary step to ensure you can revert your system to its previous state if anything goes wrong. The main page allows you to disable various Windows features that may compromise your privacy or simply be annoying. You can disable ads, Copilot, and more. When you select a setting, a description of what it does is shown at the bottom. Select the settings you want to apply and then click Apply Settings at the bottom. I will just disable a few things for now. For the Microsoft Edge settings, I will disable them later. Click on Apply when done, and changes you have made will appear in yellow. Once configured, xd-AntiSpy applies the changes instantly. You can easily reverse changes by unticking the boxes and clicking on Apply again. You can also remove bloatware using this tool to uninstall bloatware apps. Click the arrow next to More Tools and then choose Plugin Debloater DLL. The app will compare your system against a database of known bloatware applications. Simply select the apps you want to remove, then click Remove Selected Apps to uninstall them. Well, there is no bloatware on my machine, and there you have it. A quick and easy way to boost your privacy on Windows 11 using xd-AntiSpy. Remember, your data is valuable. Take steps to protect it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to keep your tech life secure. See you next time.